Welcome to the Shaft Method. We're going to be teaching you a free breath awakening, and it goes a little bit like this. You're going to exhale out as much as you can, breathe in as much as you can, and you're going to do that 3 times, and on the 4th time, you're going to breathe in as much as you can, tilt your head back, expand the belly, and tap the heart twice. You're going to do this 3 rounds minimum. Monkey see, monkey do is how I like to teach, so here we go. It gets you high as fuck. So give it a go and tell me how it goes and leave a comment below.